You can mince anything. Why do you... Please put that knife down. I've seen him cut things with this knife and it's very dangerous. Please put it down.
You can't cut that?
So maybe 2010 Dwayne would have done well with this recipe because remember I'm telling you saying run everybody belly. Every student knows that ramen noodles are the holy grail. But instead of the boring packet, which my daughter is obsessed with this one, we're spicing things up with Chef Lee's card. And not the kind of curry spice. Dwayne didn't put other people in food.
Curry?
So, yeah man, him cook a curry chicken and run everybody belly.
I'm not even going to question
So,
it.
you are going to tell us how to make ramen fun.
Yeah, so, all right, take it this way. Everybody thinks that it's just chicken and shrimp, right?
Most people.
In most, if not all of the supermarkets, they actually have a variety of flavors.
So,
right?
chicken,
the normal one, oriental, roast
and
beef.
This one now.
That one they're bad. For the people that will love the spicy. Yeah, and everyone thinks it's unhealthy because it's salty and all that rubbish. Not so.
Yeah, it's unhealthy.
It's not unhealthy. That's not true.
It is a wax on it.
I'm going to show you an easy way to cook up some.
Why do people choose ramen, especially in college? I know
it's quick, it's cheap, and it still tastes good.
I think it's the cheap part
it's
that
cheap,
hold everybody. Like
a pack of ramen is how much? $50?
Yeah,
$50?
a bit of money. Not even.
And it don't take no time to really do anything with it.
But what I love is that you are adding healthy things to it.
So we're doing a stir-fry version, and it literally only takes 2 minutes.
Okay.
So,
show me.
All right, so first thing first, you start with all of your vegetables.
Broccoli.
So we have broccoli.
You're saying you add broccoli first because...
Yeah, you start with the broccoli because it takes a little longer to cook. You can eat broccoli raw. We're essentially going to eat it raw.
Okay.
It just needs a little bit of, a little color, a little more, a little heat.
A little something.
A little something. So this needs to cook off for a second. Extra, I know say I love them something here, so.
Okay.
Go on.
Come, if you flip, do the flip. May I go stand back?
You mind him bun me up with that?
Yes, boy.
Big up yourself, you did well. You know, say Alim is a show off. Alim, why you come with chopsticks? Like, how are we exactly supposed to help?
All right, you want me to switch to a fork or something? All right, sorry.
For regular people.
I have a fork.
I can use chopstick.
You can?
No, I use chopstick because it's easier because all of these things, is, you can just grab them with this and
It's grabbable.
So a little bit of cabbage, a little bit of broccoli.
Let me shift this so that they can see what
broccoli.
you're doing.
What's that?
In the plate.
Cabbage.
Put it over
a little bit of pak choy. And some carrots.
Nice. See, no, that's my meal.
And that's it? That's all you want?
Yeah, season up that. I'm good with that.
You can't just eat that alone, friend.
Why not?
No, man, you need a little more than that.
Why?
Because you need a meal. Vegetable alone not going to fill your stomach.
Yeah, man. If me eat the whole pot right, the stomach good.
Trust me, it's going to full of stomach.
Madness.
Is there a name for this? Like special name?
Stir fry.
It's just a stir fry. Ramen, university edition. So, as you can see, it literally only takes 2 minutes. Those are already basically cooked.
Are you that?
Yeah. So, a little bit of red pepper flake.
Nice.
A little bit of 5 spice.
Not so nice.
Not so nice, yeah. This is what's controversial now. Not salt. This is MSG.
Oh, no put none in there.
No put none in there?
No.
See, controversy.
Me think it's salt, you know.
Me think it's salt.
Basically the same thing, but it's really what gives Chinese food that flavor.
Yeah, me don't want that flavor.
So we have a broth.
Work with a natural
we have a broth that's going here.
I thought
it's basically the same thing. I added the same seaweed that you see right here.
Talk to me about this, please.
Can I cut it?
It's what you always see in sushi. It's the same exact thing.
Can I cut it?
So it dry out? It's like them fine it and then just dry it out? And then
compress it and all that. I don't know the whole science behind that.
But it's seaweed.
It's seaweed, nori. So a little bit of broth. Right? Now time for the noodles.
Noodle.
I'm going to pretend like I'm not seeing extra with that knife, because I'm going to cut him.
Put on the manners. You must bathe.
So what you can do is open one of those packets for me.
Open the packet?
Yeah.
Oh, this?
Yeah, man, we're going to cook it in.
Can I cut it open?
Yeah. Be careful.
Don't put it on the board. Yeah, please. Mind your finger.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's so sharp, that knife is.
Sprinkle it in.
How sharp it is,
I'm a sprinkle.
Just sprinkle it in, all over.
The whole pack?
The whole pack. This is a lot of stuff,
Not really.
So this one clumps up a little.
But when heat touches it.
But when heat touches it, this can turn off now.
It smells nice.
Tongs.
I'll tell you that.
Thank you very much. So how long this take now? This done, you know?
Yeah, been about
No, you have
2.5 minutes.
Something melt out. This.
Can I
It's
cut this
basically done. Yeah.
Why
can
do
go
you
on.
want to cut it?
Do
I cut it in half?
No, you're going to eat the whole half. You have to make tiny cuts.
You're going to, all right, here we go. Cut up the scallion first. Put a little scallion in here first.
All right, let me move this for you, honey. Go ahead, do your thing. That big.
Get big. Ah. Yo, Brethren, take time, man.
That may I say him go on
He's
like
in a
him
chef.
chef.
All right, him get the rhythm.
Yeah.
All right, it done. I'm going to cut the finger now.
Almost.
That's it.
And what, throw
And
in
just
that?
straight in.
Fling him in.
That's right.
Don't put in a big piece.
And just like that. Easy meal.
So you must cut that seaweed up now?
We're going to put that on top. We don't want to put that in there while it's cooking, because then it's going to wilt out and it's not going to be so pretty.
Oh, okay. This, I don't know if
Yeah, man,
you
that
guys
one is finished. I did that one
and
beforehand.
it's warm and
Yeah.
nice. I can't exactly turn it over, guys, because there's liquid in it. I hope you can see. Can you see? This is like some Gordon Ramsay looking stuff. And this is just ramen.
Yeah. So it goes literally from pack to plate and
Pack
in no
to
time
pot
at all.
to plate.
Pack to pot
That's
to plate.
nice. That's
Three
really
peas.
nice. So if you have a piece of leftover chicken,
Exactly.
I want egg.
It is the epitome of leftover food kind of thing.
Mix
You
up,
want
so.
everything, you can just throw everything into the pot. 5-minute meal in between classes. The type of university I went to, I didn't have to go there every day and all
So
that.
you're
But
making me very nervous.
does that make two? You realize I gone that far? Oh, the back of the knife.
Then I
Brethren,
must be back at the knife.
a real Wilmarian, you know. That's, we kind of, we're special.
All right.
So this is
You're
done.
right, you're not
Just like this.
special.
And you can just plate it up. Nothing fussy, nothing
This feeds
fancy.
one.
This
No
can,
must one.
This
Well,
is
Me and you could have
depends.
eat that.
this is me.
Right.
This is me alone.
Of
but
course.
I'm not going to eat this by myself. But you can feed up to, this was 2 packs. I normally eat 2 packs at a time. I'm craving them with it.
Extra, let me see you try and use it, the chopstick.
Chopsticks,
easy
this should
something,
be
man.
interesting.
Yeah. All right, wait. So finished product before Extra
Mash it
kills
up.
it. It's very pretty.
It took
Look like
2 minutes.
Sort it out now.
It's like, you know, it's someone told me to hold on.
Hold on. As in, don't eat it. It's hot. You never blow it. Yeah, you should have blow it. Don't put it back in there. You must be mad. Don't put it back in there. Move. Don't put it back in there. Nope. Nope. You ain't put it back in here. Kaleem, thank you so much for stopping by, my dear. For all you university students who are working it on a budget, Tin Boom will never fail you. Never fail you.
Well, okay.
Unless you don't have an opener.
Here's a knife.
Thank you so much, Alim, for coming.
Anytime, darling.
You okay?
Bone my tongue.
Oh, no.
That's part of life.
I'm
Take
sorry
one
for
off
you.
of your shirt and use it. We're going to go for a break. We'll be right back.